Morning, YouTube. Holy Sasquatch here. It's Sunday morning, September 22nd. Still down here in Gifford National Forest doing my thing. The weather changed a bit this morning and it's actually raining, but it's not too bad when you're out here walking in the woods. Kind of keeps you a little bit drier. But I'm down here walking around drinking my coffee. I already ate some oatmeal and a couple granola bars, but I'm out here kind of walking around in the wet, looking for sticks in the woods. And this spot here is just off the road when you're coming in to where I like to camp. And I've been right to this spot, but never a little bit further. And I wanted to come in here this morning and just kind of check it out and see what I could see. And right here, obviously, is an X. It's got something right there in the middle though. There's a lot going on, so I'm going to try to move and not ramble. Right here's an X. It's caught up in the middle of all these trees. And then right behind me, it doesn't even matter, I'm gonna skip that. Let's move around here. I set my coffee down somewhere. I've seen a couple impressions this morning, but no solid tracks yet. It is a little bit wet. See how this tree is arched right here? And then there's some other weird stuff going on right here. Like this one comes up, and these two, or three rather. I gotta go back this way. Where's my coffee cup? I better go this way. So yeah, I'm just out here walking in the woods on kind of a rainy Sunday, on a rainy Sunday, excuse me. It's still early. It's only like 9:30 in the morning on my second cup of coffee. Woke up at like 6. I heard those birds whistle again this morning. They were kind of all around my tent. Here's a leaner right here. That, the odd whistle, the one I like to do. Like that. So that's what I woke up to this morning. There's my coffee cup. Look at all this stuff over here. See how this is like dynamited? There's so much going on right here. And then there's a diamond or a pyramid right there. That's a break. That's, looks like somebody might have chopped that at one time right there. I don't know. I gotta pick up my cup and carry this thing around. Look at that right there. That's interesting. There's all kinds of stuff going on in here. I kind of want to get over here though. There's another X right there. Look at that. Gotta set my cup down. Holy moly, I don't know why I brought that with me. Right there. It's pretty cool. All right, let's keep moving. Now this tree here, this tree right here is still green, but it fell over for some reason. So that's been freshly pushed over for one reason or another. Maybe it was the wind. What's going on right here? How come this is all dug up? That's kind of a trip. It's kind of hard to drink coffee and walk in the woods. Hey, look what is going on right here. Look at this. There's something going on right here. I can't. I don't know what this is. Well, this looks like something right here. What is going on? How do you even get in there? Just a second. Got to figure out how to get in. I'm seeing deer tracks. Look at this. What is going on here? This looks kind of messy. I don't even know what this is. Look at that. Huh. Every one of these sticks is laid up in here. Look at this. There's no way this stuff just gets here. And what's funny is it looks like some of them are cut. I don't know if you can see that or not. Looks like they're cut. And all this stuff is just laid up in here. This is crazy. Look at this. Huh. Well, this is something right here. I don't know what the purpose of it is, but it was obviously put here. All right, hold on. Let me see what else I can find. Look at this. Here's another one of them dug up spots. Not too sure what to think about that. I guess it could be a deer or elk rooting for some kind of food. I'm not sure. I don't know what that is. That's odd though. Well, right on. Well, it's not a bad day for walking in the woods, I suppose. I'm not getting wet. And it's beautiful out here, that's for certain. Hey, what is this? Got a chipmunk barking back behind me. Now look at the placement of this. It's perfectly wedged. Right in there. And then there's all these sticks on the ground right here. Yeah, getting tangled up. All right, just a second to keep going. Look at this right here. Here's a little X. I just found this. I only walked up a little bit further. That's awesome. And there's a leaner right behind it. Right there. It's more than an X. Look at that. What is going on? You can see it's got this one down on the bottom. Right there. That's like a stick on a rock instead of a stick on a stump. But look at this. That is so cool. I gotta set my coffee down again. So like it's an X right here, and then this stick on the top, it comes back down. Obviously it doesn't go there. None of these sticks go here. And then this stick right, the branch off this dead limb goes right there. Look at that. That is so cool. There's a little break right here. Shit like this is all over the place. And look how this one It's a leaner too, it goes up like that. I think I found a little spot here. I'm gonna keep walking around. I'm gonna go a little bit further this way. I was thinking I was gonna shut it off because I'm just kind of being quiet and walking in the woods. I just heard a stick crack. And the chipmunks are still going nuts. I don't know what all this is, but this is something right here. Look at all this stuff. Let me go in here a little bit further, just a sec. Look at this tree right here. This is funny. It goes all the way back over there. It was broke at one time, or manipulated. However they do it, they squish and twist them. This here looks like a little room. Look at this. Right there. It's kind of walled off. It's a little, I don't know what that is. It's like a little bedroom or something. It's definitely a sit spot though. Look at that right there. That's a sit spot for sure. There's a leaner right here. Little leaner goes up that tree. And look how it goes around, dude. See, look at this. The way it goes up. And then it curves around through those branches. I don't know, you probably can't see it, but it goes like this. It's just twisted up in there. There's no way it could have just fallen like that. There's another little leaner right here. Yeah, this is like a little bedroom or something. Yeah, there's a jet boiling tree. So yeah, I don't know, given the weather, I guess I might not be thumping around a whole lot today. I'm grateful I got to thump around yesterday. I made a video. It's like 20 minutes long. I didn't realize how long I was going. So this morning, since it's raining a little bit, I figured I'd just walk around here in the woods and see what I could see. And try to share it with you guys. This is all open right here. This is where you want to see a deer. Holy moly, you could get them so good right here with the bow. I was successful in my Western Washington early bow hunt this year. I got myself a little 4-point and I'm grateful for it. And I hauled ass out of the tree and got down there right away and got him so I didn't get scooped. I had to drag him a long ways too. It was a little bit of work, but it was awesome. So I got that out of the way. That was last week. Now I'm down here camping this weekend. I can't complain. Well, I guess that's probably about it. It seemed to open up right here. Kind of ran out of sticks in the woods for a minute. So I should probably wrap this video up. Look, there's a little stick on a stump. And I'm getting a little wet being out here. Alright, well I guess for now I'll shut this off so I don't ramble. And I'll say thank you all to all my subscribers, my new subscribers, to everybody who comes to my channel and watches my little videos. I appreciate it and I want to say thank you. Hey, look at this. I'm grateful and I appreciate it. So until my next video, holy Sasquatch down here in Gifford National Forest getting rained on a Sunday morning.